Welcome to Mama's Chinese Table. Today I'm going to show you how to make 炸酱 fried soybean sauce. Fried soybean sauce go perfectly with noodles, which is very popular in the capital Beijing area. And that's one of my son's favorite noodle sauce. These are the ingredients I'm going to use to make the soybean sauce. The soybean sauce, we're going to use this dried soybean paste. The dried soybean paste you can get from any Chinese grocery stores. I don't have the bag anymore, but I can show it. You can see how it looks on the screen. Then I have some minced ginger, chopped garlic, and I also have some chopped dry mushrooms. You can also use regular mushroom chopped, or you don't even add anything. It's very flexible. Some people, they can have like a chopped soybean curd, and also people like maybe chopped some vegetables in there. So it's very flexible. And this is oyster sauce. I don't add sugar in the sauce. I prefer to add some oyster sauce. Oyster sauce have some sweetness in there. And I also have some water here to dilute the dried soybean paste first. Now let's prepare. Add the water in, then you just kind of dilute the soybean paste. Just try to mix the water with the bean paste. Now you can see it's diluted. Adding more. Like that. It's a little bit more thinner than ketchup. Yeah, this is good. We can start to cook. Let's make the soybean sauce. Heat up the pan. Add some cooking oil. Now add the garlic. The minced ginger. The sugar. Let the flavors come out. Now you add the ground pork. Fried mushroom. Try to loosen up the ground pork while it's stir fry. Keep stir frying. Until the pork, you see the pink color disappears. Okay, the pork is cooked. Now we add the soybean paste sauce. Also the oyster sauce. Turn the heat to low. Mix well. Let the sauce simmer slowly. If you don't have the dried soybean paste, I think you can use a regular soy sauce, black soy sauce with some starch. So to simulate those type of taste and texture. Okay, it's good. So you see it's been boiling and stir frying actually. you can turn off the heat, take the sauce out. The 炸酱 is ready. The fried soybean sauce. You see how beautiful it is. It's perfectly go with any noodles. Okay, we just made this fried soybean sauce, 炸酱. I hope you can enjoy watching the video and follow the tutorial to learn how to make your own fried soybean sauce. Now let's learn how to say this sauce in Chinese. 炸酱. Thank you for watching.